Brittany with WTI, bringing you the most versatile sweater that I keep reaching for time and time again. Okay, so there are 4 things that I'm obsessed with about this sweater, so I'll try to make this quick. First of all, the length, so fantastic. If you notice, right now I have it on with a skirt, but because of this wonderful length, it does go nice and long in the back, a smidgen shorter in the front. I can wear it with leggings or with jeans, whatever I want. This sweater is my go-to. Second, the turtleneck factor. So normally I can't even wear a turtleneck because they make me feel like I'm being choked. Never happens with this one. So it does have the full turtleneck. Look how high this can come up. And you can either just like scrunch it down or fold it. I prefer folding it however you want to wear it, but notice it does not even actually lay on my neck. It lets me feel like I can breathe the entire time. I'm never pulling on it, never feeling restricted, but at the same time, it keeps me so warm. I don't even have to wear a scarf when I have this sweater on because it keeps my neck so nice and warm. Okay, third, the batwing sleeves. They make it extra comfy and cozy while also helping it remain chic. I don't even know how it happens, but it does. I love the way the sleeves work in this, and it just helps me feel like I can breathe. Fourth is the material. It keeps me warm without being too heavy. So it's nice and warm, and it is a good weight, but I never get overheated in this, but it does keep me nice and warm. And as you can see, like it flows nicely. So you have freedom of movement and comfort, all the good things. So those are the main things that I adore about this sweater. I think you're gonna absolutely love it if you give it a shot too. And that's my point of view.